and welcome to another episode of Mr. Photoshop. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to do the basics of skin clarification using the patch tool. First things first, you want to select an image to fix, okay, and drag it up into the workspace. Okay, then you use the zoom tool to zoom in on whichever area it is that you want to be working with. In this case I'm going to be zooming in on the boy's face. Okay, what you want to do is click the patch tool. If you can't see it on the menus because it's hidden behind the spot healing brush tool. Okay, you want to drag out to the patch tool, okay, and use that. If you don't have CS6, then you'll just be using the normal mode. But if you do have CS6, I'd like you to click this content aware, and that will give you a slightly better result than using the normal patch mode would. Okay, if you select the area you want to fix by clicking and dragging around that area, okay, that gives you a selection around the area that you want to fix. And then what you want to do is click inside that selection and drag out to an area of the skin that you want to sample. Okay, once you've found an area that you think fits well, you just let go and Photoshop will sample that area, patch it in there and use the content aware filters within Photoshop to make a nice blend and make sure it looks natural. Okay, again, do it with here. You want to select around the area that you want to sample, click and drag to sample another area and release, and that will get rid of that for you. Okay, I'm just going to do that a few more times just to show you how simple and quick and powerful this tool is. Okay, always make sure that you select an area which is going to match up well with your area that you're fixing. Okay, you can always see if it looks good by looking at the selection that you made originally and seeing if it fits. I'm just going to keep on going around this chin here. Okay. Okay, every now and then you will get a selection or a fix that doesn't quite look natural. Okay, so what we're going to do there is you want to use the patch tool a few more times until you get a natural look. I mean, never sample an area too big, never use an area too small either, because if you don't if you use an area that is too small, then sometimes it does get confusing and Photoshop doesn't quite know what it's meant to be doing. Okay, almost done with this image here. Just carry on selecting. As you can see here, this bit doesn't look quite natural, so you just sample again and again with similar areas until you get a nice even blend. Okay. Also, another thing with this tool, okay, is if you are sampling an area to fix that is slightly obscured, like up here in this hair, okay, what you want to do is select that area, and you want to find an area to sample which also has a little bit of hair in it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag to the right, to just above his eyebrow, and select that area. Okay, and what that does, okay, is it gives a similar style. Okay, and just click and drag again, just so I could get a slightly better result. As you can see, that area is now sorted. Okay, it looks very natural and you still got the hair running through it. Okay, also sometimes you do get the problem where you do have a hair across a piece of skin. To give this give an example of this, I'm just going to zoom in right there. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. 2 seconds. Okay, and then you can see that there's that hair that's coming across there. Okay, if you don't want that there, you can use this tool again to sample that area there. Move to the side. Okay, you're going to do that again, just here. Okay, and there you go. You have a nice result there without the hair across it. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. What I'm going to do now is just show you the before and after to show you how much of the skin has been clarified. If you want to see the image before you started, just press F12 and it reverts back to the original, and press Ctrl Z to go back to your final result. I'm going to do that a few times just to show you how much the skin has been clarified. that is the basics of skin clarification, but I will do a video soon to show you the more in-depth ways of doing it, how to smooth out skin and make it look like someone's got foundation on, or make it look like someone's got perfect skin naturally. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and I hope you come back soon.